Are you on your feet all day? Does the constant pounding cause your ankles, knees, and back to ache? Hi, Billy Mays here for the world's greatest insole, Impact Gel. Why am I smashing my hand with this hammer? To show you the amazing protection you get from Impact Gel. And this hammer is real. The same...
Billy Mays here! Back with a popcorn popper review! Popcorn popper from the 1970s, the wherever popcorn pumper. You can get this for $16.99 and free shipping. It takes 3 simple steps to do. First, you need an outlet. So you plug it in. You plug in the popcorn popper, and then you can get kernels. You get these at your local grocery store for only $3.99. Free shipping. Or no shipping. Whatever you choose. So you take the popcorn kernels. Gotta untie. If you have a twist, you untie it. Pretty soon you're gonna have a party in your mouth. You pour the kernels in. Gotta be careful not to get it spilled everywhere, or that would be disaster. And as you see, it went everywhere. So now I'm gonna pick it up afterward. You get a bowl, simple as that. You put it down, and you let the popcorn pumper do the rest. Off button, on button, and it doesn't work. Let's see what the problem is. You have to press the red switch on the outlet, and here we go. As you can see, it's going to take about a few minutes for the popcorn popper to warm up. You can drink some polar seltzer to wash down the popcorn taste. As you know, regular popcorn in the bag has, as studies show, there's dangerous chemicals in there leaked inside the bag of popcorn. Now this is a healthy alternative right here. Yes, this has cholesterol, but nevertheless, it's a good snack. And you gotta wait for this thing to be done. It shouldn't be very long. $16.99 and free shipping. We take all major credit cards. Simple as that. And we have some pop. Oh, that's poppy. You can put the butter in the microwave. Using a cup. Take a knife. Put the butter in there. Popcorn's popping. Put that in the microwave. 40 seconds. This popcorn might overflow here. As you see, it's popping well. This is $16.99. Just $16.99. Can't beat that price, folks. And free shipping for the popcorn popper. Butter is not done. Gotta put it in the microwave for another 20 seconds on power 8. too. Remember that. Even your dog can do it. Okay, that's done. And here's your butter. The butter's in here. If I tip the cup, might spill everywhere. And here we go. Popcorn, butter, and a nice, delicious, healthy snack for you with about 30 grams of fat. You might need a doctor's appointment right after this meal. And it's easy to make. So there is your popcorn with butter. You wash it down with some pomegranate salsa. So Billy Mays here, signing off for the popcorn popper. Wherever. $16.99, free shipping. We'll see you next time. Billy Mays, signing out.